In the dye house, every second counts, and with TecnoSal, time is always on your side. TecnoSal generates brine exactly when needed and delivers it to the right spot. No interruptions, just precision. Each stage follows the perfect rhythm. No pauses for dissolving, no manual adjustments, keeping the process flowing smoothly. By using big bags, the process becomes safer and more cost-efficient. The workspace transforms into a safer, more organized environment, improving ergonomics. With this system, every component lasts longer, eliminating the wear and tear caused by solid salt. TecnoSal is an innovative solution that revolutionizes brine production. Less waiting, more results. With TecnoSal, time is your ally. Contact us for more information.